David udan tengah do kan ngot fitep.
You know how many wives did David have?
Prangot.
8.
Prangot umdam.
He had
Ladon sa
8
nyong
wives.
tengah bar ka Bathsheba ka day ka pra.
Because Bathsheba then became the 8th wife.
Sngudap uang ale sa katay ka bababre kay gitay, ula kli kay gitay. Wani pa kay gitay oh gadigalok ka Jong Uriah.
Because before Bathsheba, he already had 7 wives, but he had thought it was not enough for him, so he comes and called, who is this lady? And said, oh, Uriah's wife.
Bagum tao ang khat ka.
And says, call her.
But hadin nang tao ya syong kabat ka.
After that, he comes to know the woman,
Mudur be ka biang
thinking that that was good enough for him,
Sngo be bo Blei yu
thinking that God will not see it.
Ding tangi bo Blei do sngo si ka jingle ka Jong David.
But this had brought sorrow to God, what David did.
Ulamut ba an tap et miao ya ka jingle ka Jong u.
He was only trying to cover what he was doing.
Nakata ka jingle ka Jong ka penlong yu bon peniap wa yu tunga Jong ka.
And this is what led to another intention of murdering her husband.
Balkum ta ter ngi ba ka jingle Jong David kalong asap do kata.
And we see how David turned out to be a hypocrite.
Tang na mar ka Jong ka Khmat ka Jong ka penlong pop yo.
It was all because of what he saw through his eyes.
Ding ta la daum don unathan tamo David chu biang la ka biang.
But had there not been Nathan, he would have carried on with what he had done.
Kan ma ba ka Khmat Jong Blei ta ka yu lut Baroh.
So remember, God's eye sees everything.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Ka Khmat Jong Blei ka yat sani bat satai.
God's eyes move here and there.